So first off, I want you to tell me your name and where you're from.
My name is Amabeli and I'm from Brazil.
So tell me, how did you come from Brazil to Roanoke?
I just been here for 6 months. I came here to study English because it's gonna make a difference in my future. And I'm coming back home next weekend. Yeah, I came here just by studying English.
So tell me a little bit about yourself, about your family.
My family is everybody in Brazil, my mom, my dad, everybody. I live here with my uncle and my aunt. She's American, he's Brazilian. And I have one sister. I live with my mom and my dad in Brazil. That's it.
And what is your favorite thing about Roanoke since you've been here?
I love here because I feel safer here. I think it's not just about Roanoke, but all the United States. I love shopping here because everything here is cheaper than in Brazil. And I love the food, I love people. American people are so nice every time. They're so nice with me, the stores, and they're so welcome.
So tell me also, what is your favorite thing to do here in Roanoke?
I love shopping here. I like go out and try different foods. It's the best thing to be here.
And where do you see yourself in 5 years? What do you think you'll be doing?
I hope I go to college in 5 years. I hope I get my certificate in medical school.
So what do you want to be?
Doctor?
What kind of doctor?
I don't know how you say in English, but for help the women have the babies. Yeah.
Perfect. You want to be a obstetrician, right?
Yeah,
An obstetrician.
Yeah.
Is there anything else that you want us to know about you? What's one of your hobbies besides shopping? What's something you like to do?
I love cooking, and I played volleyball for 9 years in Brazil. So.
And what's your favorite thing to cook? If you were having me over for dinner, what would you cook me?
I will cook for you a Brazilian food, maybe rice and beans and something special, some dessert. You have to try brigadeiro. It's one candy. And a carrot cake is so different than American carrot cake. I will do this for you.